System files corrupted by the Clr library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. This DLL file is the main executable component of the Common Language Runtime, CLR, for .NET 4.0 and newer. It manages memory through garbage collection, handles code execution, and enforces security for all .NET-based software. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore the CLR library DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the CLR library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of the CLR library DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing the CLR library. Thank you for trusting us with your Microsoft.NET Framework repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.